Hi, my name is Catherine Aird and this is Mailchimp 101. You log into your account, you can create an account for free, and what you want to focus on is audience and brand. Audience is where you get to add and import your contact, and brand is where you get to create a template. Under audience, if you click here, you can view your contacts and you can manage your audience. You can add a subscriber or you can import contacts from an Excel spreadsheet that you save as a CSV file. So I'm not going to get into that, but this is where you manage adding subscribers and importing your contacts. One thing you want to make sure is that you check box this person gave me the permission. Make sure you have permission to email people. And then this one, if it's already in my audience, update their profile. This is important because you don't want to have two of the same contacts so you don't kind of spam people by sending two emails. So this is how you go under audience to manage your contacts. The next thing you want to look at is brand. Under brand are your templates. This is what your newsletter is going to look like. So you can you see your save templates here. These are my save templates, or you create a template. So when you start, you create a template. Your free templates are on top, and then you have kind of paid ones that you can pay for too. I like to start with this one because it's really straightforward, or this one here where you can have just one photo. So let's say maybe this first one. So here, what do you have? You have a space for your logo. If you want to change, you want to add a logo, you click on this box. Whenever you click on the box to the left, you get to edit it on the right. If that's all you remember from Mailchimp, is you cannot edit the left. You click on the left and you edit on the right. So you click on this. If I want to replace the logo, I click replace. I then either upload a logo or choose from an image I have already uploaded. In that case, I had uploaded my logo, so it is here. If I want to change the text in this text box, I click on the text box and I say summer newsletter, for example. I can edit the text. Try not to touch the formatting too much. Like all this, try to keep it simple. So keep it as that, save and close. If you want to change the photo, you click on the photo block, you click replace, and then you add a photo that you have uploaded and you insert it into your image. If you want to add a link, you click on the image and this is where it says link. You can go onto your website, you copy the whole URL of your website. Here you have to delete this first part of code. I have a white box here before you enter any code to make sure it's clean coding, and insert. Right now, this photo is now going to be an active link. This is where you have your different blocks where you can edit your text. Always edit, save and close. Move to the other box. This is a button. This is where you would add a link to your website and so on. So you edit, save. If you want to delete this block because you don't need a button, you click the garbage and you delete it. If you want to add another text block, for example, if you wanted to add an image card, you can put that here, and this is where you have an image. On top here, I can add an image, say another one that I've uploaded already, and then I have my text at the bottom. Say this is where I change the caption. So change caption on the right. Okay. If you want to add to link to this, you select the text, click link, add your URL. Always make sure that this is a clean box before you paste anything, and there you go. This becomes a link. If you want to change the color of this box or where it is, you go under settings and style. So see how this is white text on a dark background in blue? If I want to change this, you would go under style. You remove the color style. So right now it gave me a white kind of color. So I would remove this. And then see how my background is gray? You remove it. And now it just becomes all white again. If you want to move the text to the right of your image, you go under settings and you say that the text position will be to the right. And now I have my image on the left and my text on the right. Use always save and close, right? You can do let image arrangement, write text with 2/3. You can say half, 3/4, say 3/4. Like you can move that here, or 1/3 where your image is bigger and your text is smaller. Save and close. So always click the box on the left, edit on the right, save and close. Click the box on the left and so on. So save and close. Then I can delete this because I don't want this, for example. You can adjust your social media icons with the link to your Facebook business page, the link to your Twitter accounts. If you don't have Twitter account, for example, you can opt out of it, delete it, save and close, adjust your copyright at the bottom, save and close. Now, what you want to do is do a preview. So this might look different on your Mailchimp account. So go under preview and enter preview mode. And now this is the preview of what my newsletter would look like on desktop, and this would be on mobile. So you can say, well, I'm not sure about this. I'd like to add maybe a cover image on the top. So you can decide to move and have a cover image here. You can upload an image, and then you can say this, for example, as a cover image. And then you would save and close. Then you can say, okay, let's see what this looks like. Okay, I kind of like this a little bit better. So just go back and forth, figure out the look and feel that you like, and then you want to click at the bottom right. So when you edit, you click save and close at each block, but when you're done with your template, at the bottom right, you click save and exit, and you name your template. So I can say summer template, for example. But this is something that you can use over and over after. So now when you're going to go into your brand, you will see summer template. Okay. If you want to edit it, you click edit it. And then you can edit it and you can save and exit. If you want to copy it, because you like to keep a set template and then just copy it, you go here and you click replicate, and then you can move from a copy. This is good if you have a designer that is helping you as well. Then they can create a template for you, and then you just work from the replicate. Now, finally, how do you put all this together is to create a campaign. And this is your last step. So you go into create an email. The campaign name is for you. So your name to remember, like your campaign name. And then it's going to say who from who. So you add from. So in this case, it would be my name and my email address. The subject. So you add your subject. You can add your subject here. You can add your emojis here. You can add a preview text. And then what you want to do is to edit recipients. So who is going to receive this? This is where you go fetch your contacts. If you have your contacts by tag, you will see your tags here. So you can say your audience and you choose your subject. In this case, I'm going to send them to everybody. So it's going to send them to my 2000 contact. And in the design email part is where you go and fetch your template. So you can create a template or go under your saved templates. And this is where this is kind of silly because you don't see the photo, but you can go here. This is my saved template I had that we worked with before. So you can go through this. You can edit some part of it. And then once you choose that it's all okay, you click continue. And then that's it. Don't share necessarily your campaign to Facebook and Twitter, but you could try it. I like to create an active link and go from that. You can try it and see how that feels for you. You can finish later, or you can go ahead and send your email. So this is a draft, then you can save and close this, you can send it, but essentially this is Mailchimp 101. If you have any questions, please reach out to me, hello@catherineair.ca. Thank you.